Let's see how to back up WhatsApp on Android phone. Go ahead and open your WhatsApp app. Tap on this three dot. Tap on settings. In settings, you have to tap on chats. Scroll down and tap on chat backup. And now, before tap on backup, we have to add our Google account. So tap on Google account and now choose in which Google account you want to back up your WhatsApp chats. If you want to add a new Google account, just tap on add account and just go ahead and add your new account. So in my case, I'm selecting this account to back up my WhatsApp and tapping on continue. Once the Google account successfully added, now tap on automatic backup, and here you can schedule automatic backups. And if you want to backup include all videos, you can just turn on include videos option. And now all you have to need is just tap on backup and your WhatsApp will be back up to your selected Google account. Thanks for watching.